Hi everybody, welcome to Rational Code. In today's video, we are going to be taking a look at and learning what an SDK is, what a JDK is, what a JRE is, and what a JVM is. All four of these are very essential pieces of software to be familiar with when we write code, especially in Java though. Three of them that we are going to discuss are unique to Java, and they allow us to write our code, debug it, build applications, and do everything you would want to do when you're programming. So let's take a look at an SDK. An SDK is a software development kit. Every single programming language has one. A software development kit is a collection of software development tools in one installable package. They ease the creation of applications by having a compiler and a debugger, and they are what physically build our code. Since and every single programming language has a specific SDK, Java's version is called a JDK, and that's a Java development kit. So a JDK, like I said, it's a full-featured SDK for Java. It has everything that you would need in order to compile your code, debug it, and it has some tools that assist us in the way. And it is capable of creating and compiling programs. And it is important to know, though, that JDKs are specific to Java only. That's why it's called a Java development kit. A JRE is called a Java runtime environment. These are a package of everything necessary to run a compiled Java program. This also includes the Java virtual machine, which we will talk about next, the Java class library, the Java command, and other infrastructures. It is important to know, though, that you cannot use the JRE to create programs. They are specifically meant for running the compiled code. You'd usually only install a JRE if you only want to run the application. If you wanted to do actual programming, like I said, you would just install a JDK. And now a Java virtual machine is a program that is responsible for converting bytecode into machine-specific code. Machine-specific code is what an operating system would understand. So Mac OS is one, Windows is an operating system, same with Linux too. So they all have their own machine-specific code. The Java virtual machine, though, is also platform dependent and provides core Java functions like memory management, garbage collections, security, and much more. And the JVM is also the reason why Java is called write once, run anywhere, because the code can be converted and run on any operating system, whether it be, like I said, Mac OS, Windows, Linux, or anything else. So let's take a look at how to install Java. If you go into your search engine and just search Java, click on the first link, java.com. Click Java download, and when you install Java from this webpage, you are going to get the JDK version 8. You will get a Java runtime environment and the Java virtual machine installed on your computer. If you want to ever check the version of Java that you have installed on your computer, go to your Windows search bar, type cmd, then type java --version. And you can see here one of my versions. I actually have a couple on my computer, but one of them is 11.0.6. On Mac OS, you would simply go into terminal and type the exact same command. So when you might want to use a more recent JDK, you can go into your search engine and just search Java JDK. You can download it from Oracle right here too, Oracle Technologies, and you can install Java 8 from here, or you can go to Oracle on a different page and install newer ones. So Java SC14 is the most current Java JDK as of this video. You can also install Java 11. They also did update from 11.0.6 to 7. I have 6 on my computer, but I also have 7 installed too. You can install 8 from here again too, and if you want, you can get updates for 7. I don't think 7 is still available for the public. So now there are 2 different ways though you can install a JDK. You can get the full JDK from Oracle right here, or do Java Open JDK. Open JDK is just an open source version of it. The only difference between the 2 companies is just licensing. A lot of the times in your IDE, which is what you use to write your actual code, it's called an integrated development environment. You can install the open version of the JDK for Java right from your IDE. And in the next video, we're going to be learning how to install IntelliJ and actually set up a JDK in it. We are going to be using Java 14, and because of that, you can use the Open JDK or the Java Oracle version of the JDK. So that's it for this video. Just to point out some of the key terms we went over. Every programming language has an SDK, which is a software development kit. The SDK for Java is called a JDK, which is a Java development kit. JREs are Java runtime environments. They are what compile Java programs, and they cannot be used to create new programs. And a Java virtual machine, a JVM, is responsible for converting the bytecode into machine-specific code. And they also have tools like memory management, garbage collection, security, and much more. And they are also the reason why Java is a write once and run anywhere language. That's all for this video. See you guys next time.